Friends, through this video we will learn pre-chop of a cataract with grade 3 nuclear sclerosis. So this is a cataract with grade 3 nuclear sclerosis. Let us start the surgery. This is the main incision with a 2.8 mm steel keratome on the posterior aspect of the limbus. The anterior chamber is filled up with 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. The patient is under peribulbar anesthesia. A side port has been made, and now capsulorhexis is being done with the help of Utrata forceps. This is Lumera T microscope, and this is a Utrata forceps. I have no financial interest in the machines and equipments that I will mention in this video. Hydrodissection is done, and now the antechamber is again filled up with visco. And now let us observe pre-chop in real time. The pre-chopper is engaged just in front of the main wound. It goes forward. The sustainer hooks the opposite equator and it comes towards the main wound. And thus this is on heminucleus is divided. Let us observe this in slow motion. The pre-chopper is engaged just in front of the main wound, just in front of the rhexis margin. The sustainer hooks the opposite equator. The two instruments are brought to each other, and here it is. The nucleus is divided into two heminuclei. Then on heminucleus is subdivided into two fragments. By this time the antechamber is shallow and I have to come out. We can divide the other heminucleus injecting visco at this point, but it is not necessary. We will easily hold it and chop it. And now here it goes. The a handpiece goes, the nuclear mass is rotated clockwise and anti-clockwise, and the pre-chopped fragments are emulsified. And now I come to the other heminucleus. It is easily divided into two pieces. Emulsification is carried out. From the very beginning I am using 85% ultrasonic energy. Flow rate is 45 ml per minute and vacuum is 450 millimeter of mercury. Though the ultrasonic energy is set at 85%, it is controlled by foot switch. If there is hard lens matter in front, foot switch is pressed more. If there is soft lens matter in front like epinucleus, the foot pedal is pressed less to get less energy. A bit of cortex has been also removed by the handpiece itself, and now a bit of cortex is still there. It is being removed by the 23 gauge Simcoe cannula. And now we are going to implant an intraocular lens. The irrigating probe is taken. We are going to do hydroimplantation, and this is hydropolish. Just by the irrigating probe we can polish the posterior capsule. And now the main wound is enlarged a bit because I am using a big cartridge, and then this is the intraocular lens. This is a hydrophobic acrylic single piece monofocal intraocular lens. The irrigating probe itself manages. The Sinskey hook is not required in most of the cases. This is a bit of moxie. The side port is closed by stromal hydration, and then a final lavage is done by a 23G Simcoe. We can do this by the irrigating probe of the bimanual IA also. And now the integrity of the wound is checked and the case is concluded. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this video will encourage you to use pre-chop. It will decrease energy, it is safe, and the surgery is quicker by about 2-3 minutes.